morning, guys. How are you all doing? Today is the 29th of October, and I am gonna go to the mall today to run some errands. And and again, it's the part of the Diwali prep. I am gonna take you through whatever I do, wherever I go throughout the day. So stay tuned. Hi guys, so I just came out of a shower. I got a shower done and I was about to do my skincare routine, so I thought why not share it with all of you. That's my brother, by the way, don't get intimidated by that. But yeah, anyways, so a lot of you guys keep on asking me what my skincare routine is all over Instagram, and so I thought I'll just share it with you guys today. And yeah, I'm sharing it. That is it, guys. That is it for my skincare routine. I do not do like 1,000 step skincare routine, and usually I use a serum or something, but now today, since I'll be stepping out, so I am using a moisturizer and not a serum, because I do not prefer going into the sun wearing a serum, because that is like a more potent form of all the ingredients that we have. So yeah, and a sunscreen is a must, guys. I cannot emphasize more on the importance of a sunscreen. Do not forget to wear a sunscreen every day, even if you're at home, even if you're sitting all day at home, still a sunscreen is very important, guys. Very, very, very important. And especially if you have actives in your skincare routine, then though it's like a must. You cannot skip it. I mean, if I have to choose like one skincare product for myself, in terms of moisturization, I'll definitely use a sunscreen. Definitely. So once the facial skin is done, the body skin is also very important, and keeping your body skin also very well moisturized is important, because it is important. And a lot of people I know face the issues of stretch marks and dry skin, flaky skin. All of that is because of dehydrated skin, guys. What happens is, when your skin is dehydrated and it stretches, it creates stretch marks because it does not have that elasticity to hold a stretch. You getting what I'm saying? So hydrating your body skin is very, very important, and I do that daily. Hi guys, so we have finally reached the mall, and I am gonna take you through whatever we do, whatever we shop, whatever we see. So let's get going. Hi guys, so we have come to Miniso, and this is how Miniso is looking as of now. I actually wanted to buy face razors from Miniso. A lot of you guys who follow me on Instagram would know that I raise my face, I shave my face, and my face razors are usually from Miniso, and I had gotten over them. Basically, I had used them for too long, and I wanted new ones, so we have come to Miniso for that. I personally actually love the bag collection at Miniso. If you can see, they have like a very huge bag collection. This entire line is bags, and they have really nice bag collection. We did not get the razor, guys. They have actually reduced their stock of stuff they used to keep earlier, and razors is one of the products that they have discontinued keeping. So we are gonna try finding the face razors on New You. Let us see if we get it. Finally we got these. These are like really precise. They are good for brows. I don't know what brand this is, but I think they can work for us, so I'm really happy. Hi guys, we've come to Reliance to buy some basic home stuff, and I want to tell you all, महंगाई बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है भाई लोग. Start budgeting. Everything has become super duper expensive, and पैसों को जेबों को आग लगने वाली है. So just try budgeting your expenses. Finally back home, and I did have some boxes to unbox, some PR mail stuff, so I thought I'll just share it with you guys. So these are the things that I have got, guys. Organic Harvest is a brand that I've been collaborating with for some time now, and they have sent me this 3-in-1 face wash, and all of their stuff is organic, completely organic, and they're certified organic. This is a certified organic brand, and so anything that they make is organic naturally. And this is the 3-in-1 face wash that they have sent to me. They did send a 6-in-1 face wash earlier, which I have been using currently, and I love it because I have oily skin and that really works for my skin type. So this is the 3-in-1 face wash, which is paraben free, and I am very excited to try this one. Apart from that, they have sent me this tea tree essential oil. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen it, but if you don't follow me right now, my Instagram is Safarnama by Ritika. But so they had sent me the rosemary essential oil earlier, and now this is the tea tree essential oil. Both of these oils are really good for acne prone skin, and I really appreciate Organic Harvest for being so thoughtful that they always send me things that are made for my skin type, so thank you for that. This is the Luminosity Anti-Pigmentation Cream. Now again, if you follow me on Instagram, you would know. If you don't, I am going to link my Instagram somewhere here. So just right now, fatafat go and follow me. So I keep on talking about my skin on my Instagram a lot, and people would know that I did go through a severe acne issue and allergy a while ago, and a lot of my acne has left scars on my face which are really bad. So I'm looking forward to trying this cream, which is anti-pigmentation. I think it is going to work well for my skin. And the final product is this lip balm. Again, all of this is organic. This is beeswax free, and it is mineral oil free. It is organic. It is paraben free. Everything free. But yeah, this product especially is actually quite raved about, and I'm looking forward to trying the lip balm as well. Guys, if you wish to buy any of this stuff, anything basically, anything out from Organic Harvest, I am gonna link the link in the description box below, so you guys can go and check it out. Not only Organic Harvest, that link contains a lot of my cult favorite products that I use on a daily basis, and the products that really work very well for Indian skin types, oily skin, dry skin, both. So if you want to try out anything related to skincare or even beauty, lipsticks, anything, absolutely anything, you can go and check that link out. Okay guys, so that is where we're gonna end this vlog. I hope you liked coming with me first time to a mall in a pandemic. It was not actually the first time, but yeah, technically shopping and everything, it was for the first time. I hope you liked the vlog. I am trying and improving day by day with every vlog. So if you wanna keep up with all the fun that we have on this channel, do not forget to subscribe, because there are more fun vlogs coming up. There's Diwali season, there's Karwa Chauth, everything is gonna be a blast. So do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like the channel and like this video. And you mean a lot to me. Each and every view means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching.